Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 10, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 10, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 10, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 10, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 29.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 33.5 million pesos for June 10, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for June 10, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.